And I was thinking that I am done. I am never done, because this particular wristwatch, I'm just removing this, was gotten from the stores as well. Someone ordered for this wristwatch and I bought them many. And the last one was remaining. I had to rock it. If you actually need it, please, guys, please put it on the comment section. Say, I need that wristwatch. It's not actually bad. You can see. Blim, 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 blim. Let's go, guys. What I ordered versus what I got is the title of today's video. Guys, I'm into e-commerce business, online business, and I do sell fashion products. So today, guys, I am going to be showing you what I ordered versus what I got. So first of all, right now, let me start by welcoming everybody back to my YouTube channel. Thank you for always coming back to watch my videos. My returning subscribers, thank you so much. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, please kindly subscribe to my channel right now, and let us go into this video. Okay, let me put this one here so that I can actually, okay. And this month I got some orders from my customers, and right now I am going to be showing you what I ordered and versus what I received. So stay tuned right now as I unveil some of the products that are, on my list this October, guys. So let me start showing you. Let me put this one here so that, we can actually get to business. So right now I have lots and lots of them, I have lots of products to show you. So right now, this one is a jean jacket. This is a jean jacket, guys, and this jean jacket, my customer said they loved it, so I had to, order for this jacket. So look at it. This is fine. It's not actually bad. I think so. So this time they really did, So be the judge what I ordered versus what I received. This is another color of it. This is a black color of that same jean jacket, as you can see. So be the judge. Is it a pass mark, what we got or what we ordered for? So I am not actually going to show you all. I have another one, this is the blue one, and this is a sky blue. That's what we call it. So it's the same jean jacket. I think it's not actually that bad what I ordered on this one, and it tried, sure. It tried. It's not actually that bad. So this is how it looks like. I hope this is not actually bad. What is your mark? Is it 7/8 or 10/10? So now let's go into the next products. So this is a shoe, guys. This is a shoe box of shoe. I have this shoe, this shoe is very, very perfect. I love it. This is size 38, this shoe is so perfect. This is so perfect. So, well, I am excited. We got them like 2 pieces. Oh my god, this is so crazy. This is fine, as you can see. What we ordered and versus what we got. So look at the picture there. Look at it there. I hope it's showing. So my customer ordered this and is going to be rocking it on their legs. I hope we are happy, guys. So what are you going to give to this shoe? 6/8, 10/10, or 6/10, or 10/10? Just let me know on the comment section what we are going to, give this shoe. So we go on to the next products. Our next product to unveil right now is this. Okay, this is men's boots. Oh god, this is actually good. You see, this shoe was ordered from my customer and he needed them 3 pairs. So I got these boxes here. As you can see, look at it. I have another one from the same products. of the shoe. So what we ordered versus what we really got. So it's not really that bad. It's good. It's not okay. It's not okay. It's not okay. It's not okay. It's okay. It's okay, guys. It's okay. For me, what are you going to give this shoe? 10 over 10, 5 over 10. Let me know in the comment section what you're actually going to give this shoe. So let's go into the next one. This one is actually kids shoe. You know, the season is coming forth and people are really actually ordering for shoes. Yes, I got these shoes and they are really what I ordered for. It's not really bad. It's very soft. So this is size 28 for kids. And I'm so happy it's not that bad. You know, I really got what I want. I really got what I want. This is another size of the shoe. So it's not actually bad. It's not a bad one. You understand? So there's another one that actually came, you know. This one is not actually bad. Whew. What we ordered versus what we actually got. As you can see, not quite bad. This one is not actually bad, you know. They're trying what we ordered versus what we got. As you can actually see, so I'm going to be showing you another product that I am in love with. This one is shoes, and this is not bad. What we ordered versus what we got. You can see it's not actually bad, guys. What do you give this shoe? What are you going to give this shoe? Is it 6 over 6, 10 over 10? Let me know in the comment section what you're actually going to give to these shoes. You know? And I got this delivered yesterday. This one is for kids. As you can see, what we actually got. Oh la 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 la. I'm actually looking for one shoe like that. I'm actually looking for one shoe. Yes, these shoes, I love this shoe. Hey, I'm actually going to kiss the shoe. It's not really that bad. It's not really that bad. You can see this shoe can fit anything and it's beautiful. I love them. You know, sneakers, it can go with actually anything, as you can see. And this is size 40. Yeah, I love them. Ooh, ooh, ooh. So rate it. What are you going to rate this particular shoes? So that is how we do our thing. What we actually go, you know, some people actually complain what they buy and what they actually got. These ones, I don't want to open them, but okay, let me try and see if I can open it. It's not actually bad. It's a copy, and honestly, it's not bad. Look at it. Look at it. It's not actually bad. We know it's a copy, but it's not actually bad. You can see that. If you have any question, you know how you can source for all these products, how you can get them, guys, please hit me on the comment section. You know, say your own. No, say your own. Okay, this is a gown. Not bad. Not actually bad. Not really bad. Not actually bad. And we are not yet over. I have another box. As you can see, this is a floater and is actually selling. Guys, this is selling for me, honestly. This is selling and is very, very cute. You know, very, very easy to wear. You can see that. You can see that it's very, very beautiful. Simple, easy way. You can rock it with anything. People rock this. My customers have been buying this. They rock with, if they're native, they rock with casually. moving their things. And it has another color. Let me show you the color, another color. This color is actually very, very, it's a very sweet color. I love this color. I love it. It's milk color. You see it's very, very nice. This is so so beautiful. What I ordered versus what I got. Guys, please rate this product for me. Rate this thing for me. Rate them under the comment section. Rate. So I'm done here right now. If you've not subscribed to my channel, please guys, please find time right now and subscribe to my channel, and you will never be the same. It's a baby girl, Ebys'Lady on the beats. Now let's go. Then this baby's clothes. Honestly, I love these clothes. I love this. I love this. I love this. This is actually so cute. So beautiful. Can you see that? This is actually nice. Actually nice for a baby boy. It's not only the girls that will be enjoying. Understand? This is actually nice for a boy. You see? And this is a pants. What I actually ordered versus what I got. This is very, very interesting. I love this. I love them. They are nice. They are good. Yeah, if you have any question, please ask me on the comment section, guys. Put that on the comment section, guys. See you next time.